I am Atanu. In this tutorial video, you learn partnership math problem, how to solve it with formula, short tricks, and example. First, we learn what is capital. Capital is the amount of the money is required to start a business. It's may cash or machineries or buildings that are used to start a business. Let's understand the meaning of partnership. Partnership is between two or more partners when they agreed or do some contract to doing some business mutually. So let's take one example. Here in the picture, A and B, they agreed to start a business, and A invest A amount of the money and B invest B amount of the money. Suppose they run the business for 1 year. So at the end of the year, whatever they make profit from the business, they distribute in between them. And this distribution of the money profit is on their investment. If nothing change the value the entire year, so the distribution of the profit between A and B at the end of year will be A is to B ratio. Suppose they make profit after 1 year, P amount, this is start of the year and this is the end of the year. A get the money from the profit. A by A plus B into P amount rupees, and B will get the money from the profit to B by A plus B into P amount rupees. So this is the case 1. Now we learn the case 2, where the different investment time horizon considered. Let's take one example. This person A and B, they invest their money at different interval of time. So this is the entire 1 year time span. 1 year. Okay. So after 6 months, let the person A invest more money, and for the first 6 months they invest A amount, and after 6 months add more amount B. Clear? But for the person for the person B, for 9 months, first 9 months, invest the amount C and just remove the amount, some amount D after 9 months. So the remain for the A, remain month is 7 months. He invested how much money? A plus B. And here for the after 9 months, for the rest of the year, that is 3 months, invested how much? This much amount of the money, C minus D. Clear? So what will be the ratio of the distribution of their profit. Suppose they profit after 1 year from their business, that is P. P is the profit amount. How they distribute this money? So total investment by A for the 1 year is equal to 6A plus 6A plus B. Correct? That is 12A plus 6B, this amount. Okay. And total investment by B for 1 year is equal to, for the 9 month it is 9C, and rest of the 3 months it is how much? C minus D. So 12C minus 3D, this amount. Okay, we get this 2 value. So the profit will be distributed with this investment ratio, that is investment ratio (12A plus 6B) is to 12C minus 3D. Profit is distributed based on their investment. So profit will be distributed with this ratio. Clear? It will be the same ratio. Let's take one example. If 3 partner A, B, C start a business with investment rupees 1000, 2000 and 3000 respectively, and at the end of the year they do the profit 600 rupees, what will be their profit share? So here the entire time span they invested for this 1 year, A invested 1000 rupees and B invested 2000 rupees and C invested 3000 rupees. We know that ratio of the profit is equal to ratio of investment. So profit ratio of A, B and C is equal to 1000 is to 2000 is to 3000. That is 1 is to 2 is to 3. So profit of A is equal to 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 into profit amount is 600. Total profit is equal to 600 rupees. Okay. So it will be what? 6 into 600, that is 100 rupees. And profit of B is equal to 2 by 2 plus 3 into 600, that is into 600, that is 200 rupees. Profit of C is equal to 3 by 6 into 600, that is 300 rupees. Now take this example of second type question. A, B and C are the 3 partners. Start a business. A invest half of the total capital 1/6 times of the year and B invest invest 1/3 of the total capital for the 1/4 time of the year, and whereas C contribute or invest rest of the total capital for the entire year. Now if the profit at the end of the year is 4,000 rupees, what will be their profit share? So find out the distribution of the capital. A contribute half of the total capital, and B contribute 1/3 of total capital, and C contribute 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 3 is equal to how much? 1 by 6. Okay, 1 by 6. Now what are the time horizon for this investment? Suppose this is 1 year. For the A invested how much? A invested 1/6 time, 1/6 time, and B invested how much? That is 1/4 time, 1/4 time, and C invested how much? Sorry, the entire year. Okay, C will be the 1 entire year part. So we know that ratio of the profit is equal to ratio of the investment is equal to how much? For the A, half capital invest for the 1/6 time is 2. Next for the B is how much? 1/3 total capital for what time? 1/4 time. And for the C, the rest of the capital is how much? 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 for the entire year, that is 1. So we get 1 by 12 is to 1 by 12 is to 1 by 6. From here, if you multiply with the LCM of 12, 12 and 6, that is 12, this all number we get 1 is to 1 is to 2. So this will be the share ratio of the profit. So profit of A is equal to how much? That is 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 3, 2, 3, 4, that is 4, into total profit is how much? 4,000. So we'll get 1,000 rupees. And B get profit of the B is equal to, again it is how much? 1/4 into 4,000, that is 1,000. And C is how much? The C will get profit of the C 2 by 4 into 4,000, 2,000. Okay, is the answer. This is the end of the video. For the more difficult level question, you can join my online class. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.